Hey you, welcome back to another video. I'm going to be telling you how to use your Easy Glow whitening lotion for optimum results. So Easy Glow lotion has to be one of the most effective whitening or lightening or brightening lotions I have ever used, but you have to know how to use it. You have to know how to tweak it to your own preference. So if you'd like to know how to use an Easy Glow lotion, or you've used Easy Glow lotion and it gave you some terrible reaction, you want to learn how to reverse it, or you want to buy it and you need a third-party opinion, or you've bought it and you don't want it to give any reaction, so you're just here to watch it, you are in the right place. Let's get right into it. So hello again and welcome back to another video. If you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Fola. I film about skincare. So to the agenda of the day, there are actually 3 variants of Easy Glow lotions. Okay, there's the orange one, there's the cream one, and there's the black one. I'm going to be really talking about the orange one because that's the one I've been using for a while now and I can vouch for it. Before you start using Easy Glow lotion, or let's say you just bought your Easy Glow lotion or you want to go and buy Easy Glow lotion, I should tell you that it actually glows you, it glows your skin a lot, but it is a very strong whitening cream. It is strong. You don't even have to mix it with anything at all. So let me just assume that you have bought it and you want to learn how to use it. The first thing to do is get a good scrub, get a good exfoliating scrub. If you are not a newbie here, you know that I am all about scrubbing well. Okay, it does wonders. It does wonders. I can testify to it. Get a good scrub. If you don't know what scrub to use, there are a couple of videos on this channel. Just go through it. Go through the channel. You will see like 2 or 3 videos where I've talked about scrubs and how to use scrubs, how to exfoliate, or the kind of scrub you should use, or we have recommended actual scrubs to you. So get a good scrub and make sure you exfoliate at least 2 to 3 times in a week. Okay, return, you don't like to scrub because you don't like stress, exfoliate your skin twice in a week. So now you like scrub a lot and you like to just scrub and you like how the sugar or the salt is on your skin, exfoliate at most 3 times in a week. And then the second thing is you have to get an anti-reaction product with it. So you're either getting crude chemical or Bellecat chemical or Shenix stage 2, or you can actually also get vitamin E and add it to it. But what I really recommend is get crude chemical and Shenix stage 2, or Bellecat chemical and Shenix stage 2. You can take 2 tablespoons of crude chemical and 2 tablespoons of Shenix stage 2, add it to your cream, mix it together and use it. You are most likely, if your skin is normal and is sensitive enough, you're most likely not going to get any reaction at all. Okay, but let's now say during the course of using it, you notice that it started giving you white patches, because that is what is most likely going to give to you, especially along your leg side. If you notice it's starting to give you white patches, what I do and what I tell my folks to do is get a moisturizing lotion. Get any good moisturizer. I strongly recommend Nivea. Nivea products are very affordable and they are actually really moisturizing. So just get a moisturizer and just take, when you want to cream your body, take a bit of your cream and a bit of the moisturizer, rub it together and you are good to go. That way you are moisturizing your skin without stopping your actual product. Wisdom, right? Wisdom. Or you've gotten to you just don't like the way this thing is giving you white patches and all. Stop the cream. That particular place that is giving you white patches, continue to rub moisturizer. But you know that there are chances that you can still continue it on your body, but that place that you're rubbing moisturizer, you might not be as light as your body anymore. So what you should do is, when you want to exfoliate, make sure you focus on that side and exfoliate it well. Then when you're done, rub your moisturizer. You can now rub your cream maybe once or twice in a week on that particular spot. But by the time you rub moisturizer for like a few weeks or days, you will notice that the old thing would have gone. Because ordinarily, if your cream is giving you any reaction and you stop the cream altogether, your skin is going to repair itself and then the reaction will go. That's just the truth. So instead of just stopping the cream altogether, just get a good moisturizer and moisturize that part. When you want to scrub, exfoliate that part well, scrub it well, and yeah, that is it. You're good to go. No wahala, no stress and nothing. Okay, so basically that's it. Though this video is not supposed to be long, that's it. So if you want to get the orange one, I would advise that if you want to get Easy Glow, please don't use it with any other strong whitening cream or any other strong whitening soap or shower gel. In fact, I would not even recommend that you buy it and buy the shower gel, because the shower gel on its own, it is powerful. Then you're using the cream again. We don't want the skin to get thin. That we're trying to look fine, we're trying to lighten up, but we don't want your skin to be too thin. So you can get your normal shower gel and a good exfoliating scrub and Easy Glow lotion. You are good to go. Just make sure you use it morning and night. Okay, use it morning and night for the first few days or weeks that you're using it. And when you notice, I like the reaction, I like how this cream is on my body, I'm liking my skin, you cannot reduce it to once in a day. You cannot start using, when you have your bath in the morning, use your moisturizer, and then at night use your cream. That way safe, you're not even going to really get so much reaction from it. So, and some people will use it and it will not give them any reaction at all. Okay, but some will use it and still give them any small reaction. I strongly recommend you to get the orange one. But now if you want to go ahead and get the cream one, I got the cream one and it really messed with my skin because it was too strong for me. I'm not going to lie, it was too strong for me, and it really gave me a lot of white patches on my legs, especially from my neck down to my knees were nice, smooth, nothing. It's just that it doesn't glow as much. The cream one doesn't glow as much as the orange one. The orange one lightens you and glows you, like it glows you. That is not what is on my face, but I'm telling you that it actually gives you this kind of illusion. It glows you a lot. So if you want to insist on using the white one because you want it to be sharp, you want to use the sharp one, please get a good moisturizing shower gel and a good moisturizing lotion that you will use with it. If not, I don't know what to do. Then for the black one, that one is for people that want to be snow white. You want to be white like my shirt. You want to, as you are going like this, 1,000 should be falling by your right, 10,000 by your right hand. Okay, no wahala. My hand no day. I'm not saying don't get it, but please just be careful. I would, even if you eventually get the black one, please don't use it every day. Please don't use it every day because it is going to be too strong. Don't use it every day and you will definitely like the results. But all in all, if you want to know whether you should get it or not, please get it, because I'm not going to lie to you. It was when I was using it, I got the most compliment. So when I noticed that let me just try another product, I stopped using it. When I exhausted, I didn't buy it, so I bought another one. And I'm not going to lie to you, I'm still using that other one now, and I don't even comment to review it because I'm not sure I like what I'm getting. Okay, I'm not sure I like what I'm getting. So when I'm done using this one, that I'm even going to be done with it in like a week, I'm going back to my Easy Glow, and what I'm going to be doing is mix it with moisturizer and use. That's what I'm going to be doing, and that's what I'm asking you to do, because I want us to go together. That's it for this video. If at this point you're not yet subscribed, please take a moment to click the subscribe button. It is absolutely free, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.